Let's look into another question of data sufficiency. A sequence has 15 terms where an equals to an minus 1 plus k. By seeing this equation, you would have got a clear idea that the terms of this sequence is in AP. Now further given is where k is a non-zero constant. Perfect. So this confirms that the numbers in this sequence are in AP. How many terms in this sequence are greater than 10? Fine. So let's start with our first statement. First statement says A1 equals to 24. Now we just know about the first element or the first term of this sequence, which contains 15 terms. Now we can have unlimited number of or all the numbers of this sequence less than 10, or we can have certain number of numbers less than 10. So we are not sure about this number, or we cannot get enough information just by the first number. Now let's look into the second statement. So first statement is definitely not sufficient. Okay. Now the second statement is A8 equals to 10. So if we have a sequence of 15 numbers, A8 would be the middle number. A8 would be the middle number, and we'll have the remaining 1 to A7 numbers before A8, and A9 to A15 will have further after that. So 7 numbers before A8, 7 numbers after A8. Now A8, the value of A8 is 10. Even if in both the cases, that if this is an increasing AP or a decreasing AP, the numbers less than 10 would be 7 and the numbers more than 10 would be 7. So let's suppose if this is an increasing AP, so all the number from A1 to A15 would be increasing order. So all the numbers from A9 to A15 would be greater than 10, and these are nothing but 7 numbers. And we need to find how many numbers in this sequence is greater than 10. Now let's suppose this is a decreasing AP where the value of k is negative. Now if this is a decreasing AP, all the numbers from A1 to A7 would be greater than 10. Would be greater than 10. And all the numbers from A9 to A15 would be less than 10. So we clearly know that there would be 7 terms which would be greater than 10 if the AP is in decreasing order. So second statement is sufficient. So answer to this question is B. Why it was sufficient? Because we had the middle term of the sequence, and also we had the number at the point we need to check. So that's it.